Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Lego pumpkin pie. First, gather your Lego bricks. You'll need various shades of orange for the filling and tan or light brown for the crust. A small round or square base plate will serve as your pie dish. Don't forget some white or cream pieces for a dollop of whipped cream on top. Let's get building. Now, let's build the crust. Start with a 2-layer base using tan or light brown bricks, forming a solid foundation. Next, create the pie's edge. You can use 1x1 round plates or curved slopes to give it a realistic, crimped look. Make sure the crust fits perfectly on your base plate, ready for the delicious filling. Time for the pumpkin filling. Use flat orange tiles or plates to create a smooth, inviting surface within your crust. Don't be afraid to mix a few different shades of orange to give your pie a more realistic, baked appearance. For an extra touch, you could even add a small, dark brown 1x1 plate to represent a tiny cinnamon stick. It's looking delicious. To complete your Lego pumpkin pie, add a dollop of whipped cream. A small white or cream round brick works perfectly in the center. For a final flourish, attach a tiny green leaf piece right next to the cream. Your Lego pumpkin pie is now complete and ready for display. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.